So, hi students. So today we'll be learning regarding the Fourier sine and cosine series. So the moment you see the question in the paper, it's very easy to solve. Okay, whether it is Fourier cosine or Fourier sine. So in most of the papers, they will give Fourier cosine series rather than sine series, because in sine series we have to only find what bn, correct? A naught and an we need not find. A naught and an value will be 0. Okay. And for understanding this particular video, you have to have the basic knowledge of Fourier series. Okay, where we'll be using the terms A naught, an and bn. I hope whomever is seeing this knows the concept, else revise it. Okay. So coming to the exam point of view. So Fourier cosine series, how it is, we have to find A naught and an. In the sense, bn value will be 0. Okay. So normally in a Fourier series, I have to find A naught, an and bn respectively. So those things are simplified in Fourier series and Fourier cosine. So the moment you see it, it's very easy, and it's a must attempt question in our engineering examination. So let's see how it works. In most of the papers, we will be getting it in interval 0 to pi, correct? So in this question, what is it? I have to find the sine half range Fourier series. So as I told you, only bn I have to find. So what is the formula? 2 by pi integral. What is the limit? 0 to pi f of x sine n x dx. F of x is x square. Correct? Then I'll apply Bernoulli's trial. That is first function into integral of second function minus differentiation of first function into what? Double integral of second function plus differentiation, that is the triple differentiation of the first function into triple integration of the second function. Okay, so x square, and what is sin nx differentiation? Minus cos nx. And what is nx differentiation? N. So if it is integration, you have to divide by what? N. For differentiation, we'll multiply by n. For integration, we'll divide by n. Minus differentiation of first function, that is x square differentiation is 2x. Into you integrate this particular value, cos nx. That is just sin nx by n. So n into n square. Next thing, alternatively, minus and plus will come. So minus I have told here, now it will be plus here. Correct? Yeah. So what is differentiation of 2x? 2. Okay. And what is sin nx differentiation? Minus cos nx by n. So minus minus plus. So cos nx by n cube. Then differentiation of 2. Alternatively, minus I have to put here. Differentiation 2 is 0. So that's the reason they are not writing the term. Then once you simplify, we'll do what? Upper limit minus lower limit. Okay. Wherever sin nx is there, sin n pi value is what? 0. Sin 0 value is at 0. So this term is completely eliminated. Don't do this term. Put 0. Cos n pi value is what? Minus 1 whole power n. Minus 1 whole power n. Okay. So wherever you get cos n pi, you put minus 1 whole power n. Fine. And you can see here n plus 1. Why? In the sense, minus 1 whole power n into minus 1 whole power 1. This minus 1 whole power 1 into minus 1 whole power n is what? Minus 1 whole power n plus 1. That's how we are getting this. Okay. And do not further simplify. Whatever you get, you write it as it is. And then the required sign, once you get the answer of bn, okay, solve this thing. Only once you solve it, only you'll get to know. It's very easy. Direct integration. That's it. Then I'll get a decide sine half range Fourier series. That is f of x is sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity. Whatever might be the answer, you put it here into sin nx. So basically, what I'm going to substitute in this formula, bn. This one. This is my bn value. I'm finding it out. Once I find it out, what f of x is equal to, that is my sine half range sine series. Bn value sigma is equal to 1 to infinity. Whatever bn value you found out from this, substitute over here and sin nx dx. That's all. So pause the video and try doing this sum. Okay. Then only go to the next question. And always remember that while doing the questions, always do the first 2 questions, no matter whether it comes in the exam or not, because first 2 questions will determine the pattern and will help us to do the other questions. Now, if it is cosine series, so since the range is not clear, this is 0 to what? 1. Here it is 0 to 1 they are given. Okay. Cosine means bn value will be 0, so a naught by 2 and sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity a n cosine x dx. So here it is up to n pi x. This is the formula. N pi x is the formula. So instead of 2 by pi, what is the range here? Instead of 0 to pi, 0 to 1 has come. So instead of pi, I am putting 1. That's the only difference here. And then this is basic integration. Okay, once you do that, you'll get a naught value. Again, pause the video and then do it. Then an value. An value is what? Similarly, 2 and f of x is 2x minus 1. Substitute that into cos n pi x. Same Bernoulli's rule I'll apply. 2 anyway will be outside. So 2x minus 1. Correct? First function integral of second function. Cos n pi x integration is what? Sin n pi x by n pi. If it is differentiation, multiply by n pi. Integration divided by n pi. Again, common mistake that we might make is we'll multiply by n pi. Please do not do that. Minus differentiation of first function into integral of what the previous function. Wherever sign is there, don't do it. It is directly 0. So don't do this term at all. Okay, directly only do this. Minus minus plus will come. This 2 will take it outside. This will become 4. And n square pi square also I'll take it outside. Cos n pi value is minus 1 whole power n. Substitute it. That's it. Then function f of x, you put the formula sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity. Correct? What is it? An cos n pi x. That's all. So I hope you understood this. Okay. So thank you guys. Thank you so much.